Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I will install a dash cam in my Honda City. This is actually the dash cam that was installed in my Tata Altroz, and I will install with the help of a hardware kit. Since it is a Nexdigitron model, so I have procured this Nexdigitron hardware kit, and the same principle applies to all your Nexdigitron dash cam models. I am going for a hardware kit because I need a 24 hours monitoring there, because there are some mischief who has done some scratches, you can see. So I will be able to record who that person is. So the main idea was that not for thieves or anything. So I will install it. Now let's locate the fuse box. So here is the fuse box. You can see this is the fuse box. So there lies the fuse box. Now I will take the connection. For the constant voltage I will use this particular fuse. This is the fuse number 5, that is for the cabin light, and for the accessories connection I will take it from the fuse number 39, that is this 7.5 volts. I have referred to the manual. This is 7.5 volts, from where I will take the accessories connection. So first I will check the connections, then I will completely install the dash cam. I will also need to take the ground connection. So let me check from where I can take it. So I will take the ground from here. আরে আমি তো হ্যাঁ ওরম না দাঁড়া। So this is that particular fuse. देखिए ওখানে দাও। So we'll check whether voltage is coming or not. Okay, the ground I have secured. Now I will check with the dash cam that whether I am getting any power or not. So you can see that power has started to come to this particular point. So the VCC connection is successful. Start recording. Now we will install the accessories connection. For the accessories I will take from the accessory fuse, that is the 7.5 volts.
दर्शनार्थ.
Okay.
दादा असं नाही कॅमेरा.
Okay. So if I switch it off, okay, so it's perfectly installed. Now I will just route the wires so that I can complete this particular installation. I had an earlier dashcam, a basic dashcam like this without monitoring.
हम लोगों का जो टाटा एल्ट्रोज है कितना क्लीन रहता है. ये देखो ये कार कितना डर्टी.
Now let us prepare for the installation. Tuck it inside the headliners. এদিকে চলে আসো। Okay, so I have sent the wire nicely tucked through this particular headliner. Now I will install the dash cam first, then I take it. So this will be the best position. Before applying this, make sure that, remember, this is the right orientation. This is GPS enabled. I need to install the GPS unit separately. Previous models had this feature. You had to install the GPS module separately, but nowadays you are getting integrated one, so you need not require to install GPS separately. But this model has a separate GPS module. So I will fix it here. Okay.
Start recording.
Now let me fix up some zip ties. Okay. So this area has been perfectly fitted. Now after we drive, we'll adjust the position looking at which is the best one. it doesn't tangles with your feet. So the final check. So remember, this will be your connection procedure. I have used the cabin light fuse for the constant voltage and the accessory 7.51 for the accessories connection. So this makes the connection complete. This way you can install your hardware kit in a Honda City. It's very simple, anybody can do it. And if you have any questions regarding the installation procedure, you are free to comment in the comment section below. I will give you all the answers. Thank you very much and goodbye and namaste. Please do subscribe.